As you can see over Stanley Park, got no chance of this rain ending anytime soon, but I've got to crack on with this video. Hi all, welcome back to Greybeard Droning. Sunday the 2nd of July 2023. There's nobody on site, so I thought I'd come down and have a look. Don't think I'm going to get the drone up today. Far too windy, ain't going to take no risks. All the machinery is down, which is probably wise actually on a day like today. I'm just going to have a walk around the site from ground level, see what we can see. I did promise you an update today, so this is going to have to be it. No drone flying. There's been a lot of comments about that corner section there. It's probably going to be one of the last jobs done, to be fair. The wall, they're cracking on with that pretty quickly now. All that white boarding, brick lane going up pretty fast, and there's a lot more bricks in the yard I noticed earlier. But we'll take a walk around. I might pop down in the morning, see how strong the wind is and get the drone up before I go to work, but we'll just see. But as you can see, the yard's absolutely full of supplies. Plenty there for them to be cracking on with, and all the workers are back tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get the bird's eye view from the sky. No chance today, not with this wind. It would be a kamikaze mission with the drone. I ain't risking it. As you can probably see, it's just started to rain quite heavily, but I'm here now, so I'm going to carry out this video and get it through and post it for you guys. Absolutely pouring down. Look at that. Dedication for you to come out here and get this video. But I did promise I'll get one video out today. I'm just hiding under the trees, trying to stay dry as possible. The wind's got up even more now. The drone wouldn't stand a chance anyway, so definitely, and with the rain on top. Fair play to the one drone guy who got his video out earlier. And it showed on his video the whole of the pitch is now uncovered. It's fantastic. It had to be done by today, the pitch, so they could crack on with that next week and carry on walking around. As you can see over Stanley Park, got no chance of this rain ending anytime soon, but I've got to crack on with this video. Whether I get soaked or what, so there goes. Head straight back across to that section over there. Been quite a lot of work underneath. I'm absolutely getting drenched. Look at that. Look at all that. But I'm going to carry it through. Still 2 sections of brick lane to be done over by the window. Finally made it round to the other side. Absolutely raining cats and dogs, and God knows what the heavens is throwing at me, but whatever. That is dedication, filming in this weather for you. That's it for the video, guys. I need to get home, get these wet clothes off, get dry, do a bit of editing, get the video online for you on YouTube. See you for the next one, hopefully with the drone.